Welcome to Science class. This is the continuation class of reproduction and modification in plants. In this class, we learn about modification of root in plants. On the basis of modifications found in different types of roots, they are classified into two categories: taproot modification and fibrous root modification or adventitious root modification. To perform special functions, the root changes their size and shape. They are storage of food, mechanical support, gases of exchange, and sucking root. Roots for storage. Look at a radish, turnip, beetroot, and carrot. They all grow under the soil. As soon as we pluck it from the ground, if we wash them gently, we will notice small roots of dangling from their surface. All these vegetables are roots of the plant. All these vegetables are roots of the plant. Instead of thin, slender roots, in case of such plants, the roots have become a place to store the food produced by them. This is radish. They are thick and swollen. One can notice that the tap root of radish is in the shape of spindle, swollen in the middle and tapering at the both ends. Such type of modified roots are called spindle-shaped roots. Example of spindle-shaped root is radish. At times, like in the case of turnip, beetroot, the tap root can acquire a shape of top, that is spherical at the base and tapering shortly towards the apex. They are called top-shaped root. The example of top-shaped root are turnip and beetroot. In the case of carrot, the shape is conical, broad at the apex and tapering gradually towards the base, and such modified roots are called conical shaped root. Carrot is the example of conical shaped root. Roots for mechanical support. This is a banyan tree. Look at this banyan tree. It seems have many trunks supporting it. Many of them are actually roots. As the banyan tree is large and huge, it needs support not to tilt and fall down. Many plants require such additional support. Such plants develop roots on their aerial parts to provide mechanical support. These roots grow downward and act as supportive organs. There are three types of modified roots for support. They are prop roots, stilt roots, and climbing roots. Prop roots. Prop roots are modified to provide mechanical support as seen in banyan tree. These roots grow vertically from horizontal branches of a tree. Stilt roots. In sugarcane and maize, fibrous roots arise from the nodes in the cluster at the base of the stem. These roots are called stilt roots, which give additional support to the plant. Climbing roots. In betel and black pepper, nodes or internodes bear roots, which help in climbing. Roots for gaseous exchange. Avicennia is a tree which grows in mangroves or swamps. They have roots which are seen above the ground for the purpose of gaseous exchange. These roots are erect, peg-like structures with numerous pores through which air circulates. These roots are called breathing roots or pneumatophores. Roots for other vital functions. Roots may also be perform special function. Haustoria or sucking roots are one such example. Cuscuta is the example of sucking roots. Cuscuta, a parasite plant, climb the trees and other vegetation and use the haustorial roots to penetrate the tissue of the host plant and suck nutrients from them. They are usually found in parasitic plants that depend on the host plants for nutrients. Students, I hope all you have understood the modifications of roots in plants. Thank you.